In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install HRMs in ERPNext. This process is simple and straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Whether you're new to ERPNext or looking to expand its functionality, this guide will help you install the HRMs module efficiently. First, start by visiting frappycloud.com. This is where you'll log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account to access your sites. Assuming you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can see all of your available sites. Locate the dashboard for the specific site where you want to install the HRMs module. Your site dashboard is essentially the central hub for managing your applications and settings, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't done so already. Look for the options that let you manage different aspects of your site. In the dashboard, you'll see an Install App button. This is usually located either in the sidebar or under the Actions drop-down menu. Finding this button is essential because it allows you to add new applications to your existing setup. Click on the Install App button, which will take you to the next screen. Here, you'll be presented with a list of available applications that can be installed. You'll want to select HRMs from this list. HRMs, short for Human Resource Management System, is a critical module if you're aiming to streamline and manage HR and payroll functions effectively within ERPNext. Selecting HRMs will prepare the installation process. After selecting HRMs, there will be a button labeled Install. Click on this button to begin the installation process. This part may take a moment, so it's a good time to stretch your legs or grab a cup of coffee. While waiting, the system is working in the background to integrate the HRMs module with your site. When the installation is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the process was successful. Once you have received the installation confirmation, it'll be necessary to reload your site to activate the new module. This step ensures that all components are properly loaded and functioning as intended. Refresh or reload your browser, and upon doing so, you should now notice the addition of the HR and payroll modules on your site. This means that the HRMs module is now fully installed and ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully installed the HRMs module in ERPNext. With this module, managing human resources and payroll becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives and improve overall productivity. Thanks for following along with this guide, and happy managing.